Okay, hi everyone. So I had a video on the Ask My Pay Statement functionality where employees can interact with it. And so I got a couple questions like, hey, what does it actually look like and how does it respond when there's a pay variance? Because my last video didn't show that. And so in this case, I created the pay variance by making it so the employee gets $1,000 more in gross pay. And so now you can ask this question, why is my pay higher this period versus last period? And so then what Joule will do is go take a look at both periods. It's going to look at my current period. It'll look at the previous period. It'll pull in the amounts from payroll and it'll come up with an explanation. And so now, like I said in my previous video, this might be something that someone would create a ticket on or have questions on. Usually more when you get less money, but you know what I mean. In this case, it actually tells it inclusion of an additional earning labeled best run reward of USD 1000, and it was not present earlier. It has my previous payroll, base salary, no best run reward, deduction, net pay. In the current period, 5,000, I have this additional 1,000, and here's my net pay. And so I can actually see that because the place I entered it was right here. I got this best run reward, $1,000, August 1st. And then if the employee wants to, they can actually ask follow-up questions. So yeah, it's right here and I can pull out my calculator, but they might actually ask questions about, hey, how much did I receive? Or maybe they might even ask like, well, I thought it's $1,000, so why didn't I get $1,000 or something along those lines? And so it actually says, hey, this is what the previous net amount, this is the current net amount. The difference is 672.10, and it's because of that bonus, but it's also offset by the higher taxes that you have, right? And so if I wanted to take a look at this, 4,368.50, that's the net amount. And if I just want to reconcile this with the pay statement, I'll go directly into it, 4,368.50. So it's pulling in the amounts from there. All right, appreciate it. Thanks. Please like, subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.